Hi, in this video we are going to discuss about the merge in less. As the name says merge, this is used to extend or aggregate the multiple properties into a single property. So basically you can use this merge statement in two ways, either through comma or space merge. So for comma merge you will be putting the plus after every attribute, and for space you will be putting plus underscore after each attribute. Basically these will be helpful in giving you some formatting like shadow, or if you want to get some transition effect. So let's see a practical implementation where in each example we'll be using either the comma or space merge. So here in this example of merge, first I am going to discuss with the comma. So as I said, for comma I will put the attributes followed by the plus symbol. Alright, so here we have a function inside which box shadow 5 pixel gray, and here you can see there's a plus symbol. Similarly here, when inside this class I am going to put another box shadow, again I put the plus symbol right here. Alright, and obviously as I said, we are merging these two, so I'll have to call this here as well. So the style of this and this will be merged by using a comma. So let's come to command prompt, let's compile it, and here we'll say yes to all, come to styles, and here you can see style of first and style of second separated by a comma. Alright, now let's come to the HTML to put this style. So here there's div, this is my box. Alright, and here inside what I'll do, I'll put a class called class. Alright, that's what is here in this styles.css. So let's execute that, and here you can see that in the top, let me just zoom that. At the top you can see there is a pinkish image, and here it is grayish image, grayish shadow. Alright, pinkish shadow and grayish shadow. Why is that? Because obviously there are two different styles, one is giving it grayish and maybe this is something pinkish color which is coming there. Alright, so here both styles were merged by separating it with comma, and here is the output. So now here in another example of merging, I am using the space merge, and in that, first thing let me explain, that is the div box. That's a straightforward height, width, padding, background color, a plain CSS class. Alright, so I will take a div and will put this particular class first, so that it will be looking like a box, and when I'll put some 2D transformation onto that box, it will look better and will be easy for you to understand. Then here you see I have taken a mixin function that is transform, and you can see that's plus underscore that we use for the space merge. Here the first transform function is the skew, in which it will do the skewing for both x and y axis up to 10 degree, and here in this class, my class, I'll call that mixin function. Along with that, another transform with plus underscore, where I have called rotate function. So it will rotate it up to minus 15 degrees. Alright, so let's save this and come to command prompt. Here I'll compile it, come back to your Visual Studio, you'll see the changes here. So you can see div box is coming as it is, but in my class it is transform, skew, and then rotate. Alright, so here you can see first it is div box I have applied in HTML, and then it's my class. So let's execute this and see that here in this particular one you can see both the rotation as well as the skewing. If it is not yet clear, you can just come here and make the changes. Like if I will make the changes from minus 15 to 15, obviously the changes will be reflected. Alright, similarly if you will do some changes in y axis skewing, again you will find the changes. Alright, it was 10, so means everything is going on properly, because if I'm making the changes in one, it is affecting, means everything is done there, either whether it's the box, making the box of that div, or skewing or rotation. So this is how you can do the merging. As here you can see using plus underscore, I have done the space merge, where in CSS you can see after a space both these styles are merged and are applied onto this box.